M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my videos on the Uniden 160, and today we're talking custom search. So first thing we'll do is just press the hold button. Now what I have done is I've programmed button number 1 to be a shortcut for my custom search. So how do we do that? We go menu, go down to search for, press the top black button downwards, and then turn it down to set SR1 to 3. Okay, press enter, and then I've just set key number 1 to be a custom search. Enter, and there you are, up and down. You can make it do all kinds of stuff, and you can set all 3 buttons, but custom search, enter for number 1. So now if I just press scan to come out and press F1, we go straight into what we call custom search, and it's going to start searching all these different bands, and at the moment they're all called custom 1, 2, 3 all the way to 0, and you can actually change that word. So for example, if we're searching, and we can turn all of these on, each number is a bank and it goes up to 0, which is number 10. So we can turn them all off. We can go to, let's turn a load off just by pressing all these buttons. Okay, we've left just one on, number 3. If we turn on 4 and turn off 3, have you noticed that number 4 is 50 megahertz, but number 1 I've actually renamed it. So how do we do that? And just remember, to turn them all back on, you just press the numbers again. So if we press hold a minute, now remember, in the hold position you can go enter and start to save channels. Just go enter again and again, choose the channel where you want it to go. You can see that the channel's blank there. Just go enter. You can go enter again, give it a name. To delete the name, press the dot twice, and then start to turn and add a name. Okay, enter. As you go down the list with the volume knob, you can edit the frequency, the modulation, etc. And when you're done, you literally just back out. So we press hold again. Go F back into custom search. We're searching away. How do we edit these searches? Go menu, down to search for, enter. Go down to just beneath custom search, and that's another way where you can start custom search. I'll show you that in a sec. Press edit, enter, and look, I've already edited the name of CB. So let's go to number 4, let's go enter, and let's edit the name. I'm going to call this one, I'm going to hit the dot button twice, that deletes it, and we're going to call it 50. So turn it backwards, channel knob, 5, go to the right with the 6, to the left with the 4, so we're going to go to the right, again choose 0, 50, go to the right, and we're going to call it megahertz. Keep going, mega right, then hertz. Bit boring, just leave it at MZ for now. Enter. We change the name. Now we can actually change the start and finish frequency. So if we go enter, it gives you the first one first. I'm not going to change it, but you can see how we can change that, because I like that one as 50 megs. Enter, and there's the end. As long as we stay within the parameters of the hardware of this radio, we can change it. Go enter, and then we can even set the step. So that's the gap between the channels. Enter, it's set at auto. You could set it at 5 kilohertz, 6.25. I leave it at auto. And set the step, set the delay time. I think that's the pause. When it finds stuff, I'm going to put 0. Set modulation is on auto. By default, if it knows that megahertz is generally used on FM, it'll probably just try and find FM first. But anyway, you can change it. And you probably override it by pressing F then 9 as well when you're actually searching. Attenuation, digital waiting time. Okay, maybe that's how long it takes to sort of decide that it's DMR. Enter, and that's it. And then when you back out, go back to scan, then just go F1, and you'll find that when you get to, we turn off number 1, turn off number 3, and look, we've named it 50 megahertz, and we can turn them all back on. 3. So many. There you go. All back, and it'll just scan and scan and scan. So if you change all of the names, that's going to be nice, because you're going to see when you're going to be able to name one that's airband, CB, military, marine band, all that kind of stuff, railway, and you can customize what it's searching. So I think that's very handy. And just to show you that you can enter without doing a shortcut, you can just go menu, down to search for down, then go down until you see custom search and go enter, and then you'll do the same thing. And remember, you're turning everything on and off with the numbers. So that's what we call the custom search. Thanks for watching my channel. 7.3. That's DMR coming through there. Bye for now.